Once upon a time, in a house by the hill, lived 3 little pigs. Each started his own business, and since they had big dreams for their future, they worked hard, very hard, day and night. One day, the 3 little pigs stumbled upon a video about trademarks. In it, the founder of Trademark Factory, Andrei Minkoff, explained why protecting the brand early on was an absolute necessity for each business that hoped to become and stay successful.
There's no reason in the world to spend a minute of your life or $1 out of your pocket building a brand you don't own. And the only way to own your brand is to trademark it before somebody else does.
Yeah, right. Who needs trademarks? I have a better idea. I'll just register my brand as an LLC and set up a few social media profiles.
And he did just that. Happy with his work, the first little pig went to town to tell the world about his new business. But just as the Trademark Factory video warned, a big bad wolf who loved stealing brands from hard-working pigs was waiting nearby.
Little pig, come here so I can steal your brand.
Yeah, right. I registered my brand as an LLC. I set up my Twitter and Facebook pages. I built a beautiful website. You are welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But there's no way you can steal my brand and get away with it. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Ha! You think that will protect you? I can still use your brand to compete with you. I can even trademark it, force you to rebrand, and make you pay me for trademark infringement. You haven't trademarked your brand, so you don't own it. I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'll rip your brand off!
So the big bad wolf huffed, and he puffed, and he stole the little pig's brand, and there was nothing the little pig could do about it. The second little pig, after seeing what happened to his friend, said,
Looks like this Trademark Factory guy was right. I should trademark my brand, but I'm not gonna waste my hard-earned money on their services. I'm sure I'm smart enough to trademark my brand myself. It looks easy enough. Any pig can do it.
And so the second little pig went online to fill out the form on the government's website. There were, however, a few questions he wasn't really sure about.
I mean, as long as the form accepts the answer, I should be good to go, right?
And the government fees came as a complete surprise.
Wow, I thought that if I did it myself, filing the trademark would cost nothing. Instead, they still made me pay several $100s.
The second little pig continued to self-file, and a few hours later, he was proudly looking at the email that said he had successfully filed his trademark application.
Haha, just as I thought. Any pig can do it.
The next day, happy with the trademark application he just filed, the second little pig went to town to tell the world about his new business. But there again was the big bad wolf waiting nearby.
Little pig, come here so I can steal your brand.
You wish? I just filed a trademark application. There's no way you can steal my brand and get away with it. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Oh, really? Why don't you tell me your trademark application number so I can check a few things? Your list of goods and services is incorrect. You filed your trademark in the wrong classes. Your specimens of use are not acceptable. But most importantly, it doesn't look like you've done a comprehensive trademark search before you filed your trademark. Your application will be rejected. I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'll rip your brand off.
So the big bad wolf huffed, and he puffed. And he stole the second little pig's brand, and there was nothing the little pig could do about it. The third and smartest little pig, after seeing what happened to his friends, said,
registering an LLC, creating social media pages, or even filing a trademark without proper representation doesn't seem to stop the big bad wolf. Just like the Trademark Factory guy said, I need a smarter, safer way to protect my brand.
He opened Trademark Factory's website and asked for help.
We can help you get your brand trademarked with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. For one flat fee, we'll make sure your trademark is approved, or you can get all your money back.
There's even a money-back guarantee? Wow, this is a complete no-brainer. Totally worth it.
Trademark Factory ran a comprehensive trademark search to confirm that the third little pig's trademark was registrable. They took the time to understand what his business was all about and filed a trademark application that accurately reflected the little pig's vision. The next day, happy with his trademark, the third little pig went to town to tell the world about his new business. But there once again was the big bad wolf waiting nearby.
Little pig, come out here so I can steal your brand.
No can do. I've trademarked my brand through Trademark Factory. There's no way you can steal my brand and get away with it. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Oh, really now? Why don't you tell me your trademark application number so I can check a few things? It looks bulletproof.
A little less sure of himself, the big bad wolf puffed up his chest and said,
I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'll rip your brand off.
So the big bad wolf huffed, and he puffed, but the little pig still owned his brand. So he huffed and puffed again, this time with all his might. But no matter how hard he huffed and puffed, he could not steal the third little pig's brand.
Thanks to Trademark Factory, I now truly own my brand.
Could I at least get a license to use it?
No way! As the owner of this trademark, I get to decide who can use my brand. And there's no way I'm gonna let my brand be used by big bad wolves like you.
Stealing brands trademarked through Trademark Factory is too much work.
And the moral of the story is that if you're serious about your business, you must trademark your brand before it gets stolen from you. Registering your LLC or setting up your website and social media profiles will not protect your brand. The Trademarks Office will reject, on average, 81% of trademarks filed by self-represented applicants. The big bad wolf is still out there looking for unprotected brands that are easy to steal. So you have to ask yourself, how much is your brand worth to you? Do you really want to risk getting ripped off? Protect your brand properly. Get your trademarks done right. Trademark Factory.